Hello, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making corned beef and potato soup. To make this is really easy. You need a can of corned beef, salt, pepper, onion, and potato. Just a warning for anyone who is on a low sodium diet, this is not a good idea. This actually is something that is in high sodium because of the corned beef. To start with, you need to cut up an onion into small pieces. You're going to need at least 3/4 cup of onion. And then you're going to need about 4 cups of potato cut up into small cubes. With this recipe, you can adjust the amount of onion or potato, even the salt and pepper you want to use in it, because it's basically to taste. Once you have all your vegetables cut up, then you're going to cut up what is the corned beef log that comes out of your can. You're going to need this in small cubes. As you cook it, it will break up and go throughout the whole soup, but you want to start it out with smaller pieces to begin with. Just a warning, this is a bit messy. After you've cut up your corned beef, you're going to need to get a pot, at least medium size, so you can put about 4 cups of water in it. Once your water is hot, go ahead and add your potatoes. Then add your onions. Next, you're going to add your salt and then your pepper. You want to cover this and bring it to a boil and let it cook for at least 10 minutes before you put the corned beef in. Once you put in the corned beef, you're going to want to recover it and then let it cook for at least another 10 to 15 minutes until your potatoes are cooked through. You can test this by using a fork and just pushing into a potato. If it goes in easily, then they're done. So as you're cooking this, you're going to want to stir periodically just to mix things through. That'll break up the corned beef. But once the potatoes are done at about 20 to 25 minutes, you are going to be basically done and you're ready to eat. This is a great comfort food. My mother used to make this when I was growing up, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And I thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe and join me for the next one.